I've been searching for a second compact travel light. After comparing a few options, I've decided to stick with what I know, this SmallRig light. But I didn't realize there is a new version with updated features, including different light colors. Let's find out if I can achieve a similar effect using gels. Oh, and we need to talk about this charger. It's a crucial part of the setup. So, what makes this SmallRig light so special? First of all, it has a built-in battery, making it incredibly convenient for shooting on the go. It has a compact, square design that fits perfectly in my camera bag, saving space. Despite its portability, this light delivers consistent, high-quality output. While there is always room for improvement, this light is the best for my needs right now. Or is it? I didn't realize there is a new version that is compatible with the SmallGo app. I'm not too interested in that feature since I use my phone for monitoring. But the new version also offers built-in color options, which would have been cool for creative lighting. I've been taking inspiration from movies and series. I recently watched a British show that uses the classic teal and orange color scheme. Teal to mimic outdoor night light, and warm tones to represent artificial indoor lighting. Let's try recreating that effect with gels. Big warning, let lights get hot. Don't place gels directly on them. I tested a teal gel from my Godox kit, and this is what happened. Wrinkled and unusable. I bought some cheap gels online. I couldn't find a teal one, so I will have to combine green and blue. We are doing craft work here. The moment of truth. I still have a very long way to learn to light like a filmmaker. What's my camera doing in the trash bin? That's disgusting. The new version was almost double the price of the older model, which I bought during a flash sale. If I were in the market for a new light, I would definitely consider it. For now, I'm happy with my current setup. I now have two lights, and since I like to travel light, the carrying boxes are useless to me. Here is what I actually use. As a main light, one of the lights on a proper light stand with a balance adapter that needs to be purchased separately, and I usually bring with it a travel-friendly softbox like this 65cm from SmallRig. I have the second light with a mini softbox that I also needed to purchase separately. For this setup, I purchased a very portable Ulanzi light stand, and I also need to use this plastic handle that came with the kit. I traveled to Kenya only with this setup, and if placed very close to the subject, it can make do as a main light. Quick note, this setup is a bit heavier than the official payload of this light stand, but I haven't had any problems as long as the knobs are properly tightened. I haven't used the included reflectors while traveling, but they are great for bouncing lights off walls or ceilings. Unlike other brands, this light doesn't need a bulky transformer. The included USB cable is all you need. But here's the problem, the light does not come with a charger and a regular phone charger won't cut it. So I ordered this 100W gallium nitride or GaN charger for fast charging. It includes 3 ports, but there is one catch. When you use the 3 ports at once, the 100 watts get divided, resulting in longer charging times. So if you need continuous light over an extended period, the best thing is to plug only one SmallRig light into this charger. I no longer need to pack separate laptop chargers, and it can recharge my laptop, phone, and camera batteries overnight. I went for the orange one. It's harder to forget something bright in a hotel room. I dread the day when a bored flight attendant checks the dimensions or weight of my backpack and I have to remortgage my house to pay the fees. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Jose Alcoy. On this channel I share what I learned in my journey as a content creator. And if you're interested in what else I packed for travel, check out this video where I go over my travel filmmaking kit in detail.